Hi folks, Paul Wright here, founder and director of PhysioProfessor.com. Just going to take a couple of minutes to take you through and show you how to sign up for Physio Professor, this great program. Just a few minutes and you'll be able to access all the great materials on the site. First step, go to PhysioProfessor.com, so type in www.PhysioProfessor.com into your browser. You get to our homepage. You can find out lots of information here about Physio Professor, see some testimonials. A video will take you inside the site and have a look around. But assuming you're ready to join, go over to the Join tab, which is just there. Click Join. You'll see more information about the program, what you actually get for your membership. You'll see really got to decide the first thing is what license you want. Our standard license is a 1 to 3 user license, which is typical for most or useful for most small health businesses, personal trainers or sole practitioners or clinics with a couple of practitioners in them, and that's 1 to 3 user license for 69 Australian dollars per month. The next step, if your clinic's slightly larger, is our 4 to 10 user license. That gives you 4 to 10 therapists have access and can access the program at any time. It's great for larger clinics where multiple health professionals will be logged into the system. And the third one is for large practices or multi-sites, is our tier 3, which is 11 to 20 users, which is 249 Australian dollars per month. Again, great for health businesses with multiple sites or very large teams of health professionals in the same location. And all team members can access those systems. So you've just got to work out how many users you'll have in your Physio Professor program. 1 to 3 is our basic license, 4 to 10 is our next tier, and 11 to 20. So once you've selected that, if you have any problems or you have more than that, send us a support ticket at healthbusinessprofits.com support. I'll take you through and show you a standard membership. So let's say we're going to go to a standard 1 to 3 user license. We click on the sign up tab here, which takes us straight to this site. Now it's a Physio Professor membership type, 1 to 3 user license, 69 Australian dollars for 30 days. All you have to do is write in your name. So I'll sign up as me so we can know how this works. So put your first name and last name in, your email address, and you've then got to choose a user ID. Now it's important when you get to this stage, your user ID should be your practice name. So remember that, when you get to this stage, make your user ID your practice or business name. That's important because it'll then come up on your diary section. So I'll call myself XYZ Healthcare. You choose a password and you confirm your password. So again, the most important thing here is when you get to choose your login name, user ID, make that your practice name or business name. Your password can be whatever you like. Then click continue. You see it takes you through to our next stage, which is our payment system, confirming it what we're buying is a Physio Professor membership, 1 to 3 user license. There's our price. You put your first name. Now mine's already come up because I've used this system before, obviously. Put your first name again, your last name, phone number, your email address, your mailing address in there, and then you scroll down here and put in your credit card information. So I'll enter my card in here, go down the bottom here and I press submit order. I then get to this stage. Thank you for signing up. Enjoy your membership. To log in, please click here. You are then brought to or taken straight to the members area of inside Physio Professor. So first time I'm in the site, I get to this page once my membership's been confirmed. First time visitors come down the bottom here. Type in your first name, last name, and your personal email address. And a personal password. Remember, the first login you did, your username and password was the one that got you into the system. Then you're setting up this as your individual therapist. So this is you as a clinic manager, or your individual therapist do the same thing. Select your pathway. I'll click myself as a senior. I'm the clinic owner, yes, and I submit. Thanks for my details. I'm now into the members area of the site. See, I've come up as a senior therapist. I'm Paul Wright of XYZ Healthcare. And as I've selected senior therapist, it's put the sessions in order of what I want to watch. So it's as simple as that. Once you do that, you join. That then lets me track my diary. My education diary comes up. There I am there. I've selected owner manager. And as I said, as an owner manager, all my therapists will be listed here as well. Now just a reminder, so that's set yourself up. When you get your therapist to come in, each individual person or people on your license come in. First time they have to set this up as well. Their first name, their last name, their personal email, their personal password, pick their pathway, then they're on your license as well. So that will be their name at XYZ Healthcare or your personal business. Once you've set everyone up or they've set themselves up, each successive time you come in, you just need to do the top bit. So the first username and password you selected when you join the program initially is the password you give and the username you give to your team members to get them to this site. Then they have to use this bit to do their original or their personal details. So hope you enjoy the program. Look forward to seeing you in the members forum.